Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and tricks for digital parenting. Today, we'll show you how to get weekly email summary from Qustodio, the ultimate parental control tool. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the description box below for a special affiliate link to Qustodio. To start, open the website Qustodio.com, then click on Login. On the drop-down list, you will see two options. In this video, we're using Qustodio for families. Click on Families. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on Account. On this page, you will see a section for notifications. Under it is a text that says Weekly Email Summary. Beside it is a toggle switch. Toggle the switch to turn it on. That's how you get weekly email summary from Qustodio. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.